When a man meets an attractive woman, the natural instinct is often to feel drawn to her. He might be captivated by her appearance, her energy, or the way she carries herself. It's normal for a man to want to impress her and make her feel special, but this desire to win her over can sometimes work against him. Instead of focusing on impressing her, the key to success is to create a dynamic where she feels she has to earn your approval. This can make her feel more attracted to you and lead her to pursue you. Too often, men mistakenly believe that the more they try to show their worth, the more attractive they become. They think, if I give her compliments, agree with everything she says, and share my achievements, she'll be impressed. But this approach can inadvertently make the woman feel as if you're seeking her validation, which can lower your value in her eyes. The underlying mistake here is trying too hard to impress. When a man comes across as needy or overly eager to gain a woman's approval, he gives up his power in the interaction. Women instinctively sense when a man is desperate to win their favor, and this makes them feel in control of the situation, like they're in the driver's seat. And when a woman feels like she's the one making all the decisions about the relationship, it can diminish the emotional connection and overall attraction. To truly spark a woman's desire, a man must avoid appearing too available or desperate. Instead, he should maintain a sense of confidence and self-sufficiency, subtly conveying that she needs to earn his attention. This is the secret to making her want you. Why women are drawn to men who are not overly eager. Attraction isn't just about physical appearance. It's about creating an emotional pull, a sense of intrigue, and even a little mystery. Women want to feel like they've found someone who has something unique to offer. Someone who is not just a nice guy, who will agree with everything they say, or show up just to get their approval. They want a man who has his own life, his own passions, and his own sense of self-worth. Here's the thing. Women are naturally drawn to men who have an air of mystery about them. They want to feel like they've met someone they can't easily figure out, someone who isn't chasing them or trying to win them over immediately. Instead, they want to feel like they're on a journey of discovery with this person. That's why subtle disinterest, or more accurately, calibrated disinterest, works. It isn't about being cold or distant. It's about demonstrating that you have a rich, fulfilling life, and you're not desperately seeking someone to complete it. When you interact with a woman and make it clear that you're still evaluating whether she fits into your life, you're allowing her to feel the need to prove herself. She wants to feel like she's made a valuable choice by deciding to invest time and energy into you. This is a delicate balance that taps into deep human psychology. When women sense that a man is not just interested in her for her looks or company, they become curious, intrigued, and often start to feel the desire to earn his admiration. They feel the excitement of the chase, which is a powerful motivator in human behavior. The power of confidence and emotional control. One of the most important qualities that women find irresistible in a man is confidence, not arrogance, but self-assurance. A man who is secure in who he is sends a clear message. I know my worth, and I'm not looking for validation from anyone. This is magnetic because it creates a sense of emotional stability. When you show confidence, you're giving off the signal that you are independent and emotionally self-sufficient. You don't need the woman's approval to feel good about yourself. This makes you more attractive because women are naturally drawn to people who have emotional control and don't need external validation to feel secure. Here's the key to projecting confidence: emotional control. Be comfortable in your own skin. If something doesn't go as planned, don't overreact. Maintain your composure, even in moments of tension. Self-respect. Understand your own value and never compromise your principles or self-worth for someone else. Calm presence. Cultivate a calm, relaxed demeanor. This conveys that you are not easily flustered and that you can handle any situation that comes your way. Body language, the subtle signals that draw her. In confidence isn't just about what you say. It's also about how you carry yourself. Your body language plays a massive role in making a positive impression. You can exude confidence and self-assurance just by adjusting your posture and gestures. Here are a few key body language tips that can help you project confidence. Stand tall. Straighten your back and avoid slouching. Good posture instantly makes you look more confident and more attractive. Relax your shoulders. Tension in the shoulders can make you appear anxious or stressed. Relaxing your shoulders gives off a calm and collected vibe. Make eye contact. Strong eye contact shows interest and assertiveness, but don't stare too intensely. A glance followed by a smile works wonders. Don't fidget. Avoid nervous habits like tapping your foot or checking your phone constantly. These actions can make you seem insecure and disinterested. Use open gestures. Crossed arms or legs can make you appear closed off. Use open body language to appear more approachable and confident. Playful, teasing, and humor. Building connection. Now let's talk about humor and playful teasing, two of the most powerful tools for building attraction. Humor can break the ice and build rapport quickly, while playful teasing shows that you're not overly serious. Both of these elements can create an emotional connection with a woman while keeping things light-hearted and fun. Teasing is an excellent way to let her know that you're not easily won over, but without being mean or cruel. It's important to keep the teasing playful and never go too far. The goal is to keep her on her toes, not to make her feel bad about herself. Here are some examples of playful teasing. I thought you were going to be a bit more interesting than that, but I guess I was wrong. Wow, that was a pretty impressive line. Are you always this charming, or did you just Google it? You're almost there. Just one more thing and I might consider giving you my full attention. When done correctly, playful teasing invites her into a flirtatious back and forth, creating an emotional connection and excitement. It allows you to keep the interaction fun, while subtly demonstrating that you're not just handing over your attention and affection, creating emotional connection and building trust. While attraction is certainly important, emotional connection is the true foundation of any successful relationship. This means moving beyond surface-level compliments and connecting on a deeper level. Share your passions, interests, and vulnerabilities without oversharing, and be genuinely interested in getting to know her as well. A key point to remember is that women are drawn to men who can make them feel safe and understood. To do this, you need to establish trust. This can be accomplished through actions, consistency, and mutual respect. One of the most effective ways to create this connection is by actively listening when she speaks. Show that you're genuinely interested in what she has to say. Ask open-ended questions and engage in meaningful conversations. This makes her feel valued and respected, which increases attraction. Why women want to win you over? Ultimately, the dynamic where a woman feels like she has to win you over works because it taps into a basic human need for validation and achievement. Women want to feel like they're leveling up by being with a man who holds his ground and has value in his own right. When a woman is allowed the space to work for your attention, she becomes more invested emotionally. This creates a deeper bond that's based on mutual respect and attraction, rather than simply the woman being the object of admiration. The key takeaways. What works? Self-worth. Women are attracted to men who value themselves and aren't seeking external validation. Mystery. Avoid giving everything away up front. Let her earn your attention. Confidence. Be emotionally self-sufficient and calm, even under pressure. Playful teasing. Light teasing keeps things fun and shows you're not easily won over. Body language. Strong posture and eye contact are powerful signs of confidence. Emotional connection. Build trust by being genuinely interested in her and creating a space where she feels comfortable sharing herself. Conclusion: she wants to pursue, not be pursued. To summarize, the secret to making a woman want you is subtlety, confidence, and creating a dynamic where she feels like she has to earn your attention. Women are drawn to men who are not overly eager to please, but rather they want someone who is secure, self-assured, and capable of holding his ground. When you stop trying to win her over and instead let her work